What's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna do a review on my toolbox. I freaking love this thing. I bought it from Harbor Freight like 2 or 3 years ago. Okay, so this thing is I've modded it out. I've put some stuff on it, and I've made it to where it's just a really good toolbox. It works perfect. I live in a little two bedroom apartment, so it works perfect for this little spot. So on the website it says $26.99, but you can go on your phone when you get in line at the store and use your little get online and look at the harborfreight.com and just use their little 20% discount. You can pretty much use that every single time you go into the store. It's ridiculous. So you get really good prices. However, the quality of stuff that they have is not always the best. No professional is going to have Harbor Freight tools in their work truck or in their toolbox, but for a small apartment and little tiny repairs that we have here, it works great. It's from Harbor Freight. It's a 21-inch steel toolbox that they have. I'm going to go ahead and start opening up and show you everything that fits inside. Alright, so this is everything that fits inside my toolbox. You can see the tray that comes out is over here. I've got a bunch of nails in the top up there, tape measure, all kinds of sort of screwdrivers, some crescent wrenches, pliers, and then smaller nails and staples for the staple gun, which is over here. Also, there's some tacks and thumbtacks and whatnot in there. Giant screwdriver, regular size hammer, battery port cleaner, some protectors for the battery. This is all just, those two are just junk. I don't even really need. Some drill bits from Milwaukee, just basics. Some regular bits for my drill that's actually in my closet. My battery powered drill, which is from Harbor Freight, and that thing is $20. I'll probably do a review on that also, actually. Yeah, just assorted screws here. I don't even know why I have this thing here. I don't even remember what it's called, but it helps you draw perfect circles. I don't need that thing. This Indian motorcycle sign my dad gave me when I was a kid. A bunch of miniature screwdrivers. The 4-inch magnetic pieces from Harbor Freight. That's this thing here. This thing is handy as heck, so I just keep all the assorted stuff on this. I go into this toolbox probably twice a week and just do stuff around the house. I mean, this toolbox really is, it's very convenient. It's a good toolbox, and it's very strong. All of this stuff put together, that toolbox probably weighs about 35 pounds. So I mean, the handle, it looks like it's going to be junk, but it's actually really strong. So on the toolbox, I actually did a few mods. I put these little furniture things, because you can see how loud this is. So I put it on the back side just to kind of keep it from rattling. Also, I've got 4 underneath at the very bottom so that I can just slide this thing around. And I also put them on the back here. So all this stuff is going to go back in now. I'll just go ahead and put that time lapse together. Next video I've decided is going to be a review on the Drill Master. It's an 18-volt Drill Master cordless drill set. This thing, I'll let you know how I feel about it in the next video. Click the bell next to the subscribe button so you'll get the notification on that video. So I'm going to keep doing the occasional review videos on my channel. But I'm also going to start doing some vlogging in my car, because I work in my car a lot. I drive all over Atlanta, and there's just too much opportunity for me to be recording stuff. So I'm going to start recording some stuff and see if I can't turn that into somewhat of a daily vlog kind of style. But stay in touch. I think Sundays I'll start doing my reviews on products on Sundays. So I might start doing that. At least one video a week. Check this thing out. It's so good. Ah!